Uh, Good morning, Sister Carolina, Sister Sabrina, and friend. Now I will present my project about my family favorite fruit. My father likes strawberry. My mother likes strawberry. My brother mango, and I likes watermelon. Thank you, Sister Carolina.